but an expired. Exit from my life. An expired. Exit from my life. I thought your love, I thought your heart was poison from the start. An expired. Exit from my life. Bye-bye. I don't miss your mind tricks or your lies. I don't miss when you're gone every night. I'm done being chained, done with your games, done being played for your entertainment.
It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So
Let's make Nutella, strawberries and cream puffs. Cut heart shapes out of your puff pastry, or any shape you like. Then place on a baking tray and brush with egg wash. Give it a sprinkle of sugar and bake in the oven for about 8 minutes or until puffed and golden. Slice them in half, then whisk double cream and icing sugar to stiff peaks. Also, here's me standing in case you've never seen me stand before. Pipe Nutella over the pastry base, then pipe on the whipped cream and place the sliced strawberries on top. Place on the pastry lid, then dust with icing sugar, and that's it. They're so fresh and creamy and they taste amazing. Enjoy!
怀艾特你觉得很像她的可爱闺蜜，让她给你做250克雪媚娘芋拌粉，250克滚烫开水，搅拌均匀，揉成光滑面团，用果蔬粉调色，40克一个的剂子，擀成薄片，挤入奶油，放入水果，包起来即可。做好就可以直接吃了，圆鼓鼓真可爱，快让你的可爱闺蜜给你做吧。
we're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence, never making sense. I'm not gonna feel a thing tonight. I'm not gonna be the one tonight. Don't wanna hear anything that you say. Your love is a game that I don't wanna play. So don't say you need me when I walk away. It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head.